Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and give your comments for my guidance. Thanks. Today the question is y is equal to cos theta square. We have to find third derivative. Solution. Solution. Y is equal to cos theta square. By using d over dx cos x raised to the power n is equal to minus sine x raised to the power n into n x raised to the power n minus 1. We use this formula. Now y dash is equal to minus cos theta square minus sine theta square into 2 theta 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 theta sine theta square. By using formula d over dx u into v is equal to u dash v plus u v dash. Now y double dash is equal to, here are two functions. The first is theta, 2 theta sine, and second one is sine theta square. Minus 2 theta dash sine theta square plus minus 2 theta sine theta square dash. Now we take minus 2 theta. Theta is equal to, the derivative of theta is equal to 1, therefore it becomes minus 2 sine theta square plus minus this minus 2 theta sine theta square is equal to cos theta square into 2 theta which becomes minus 2 sine theta square minus 2 to the 4 theta square, 4 theta square cos theta square. Now we this is second derivative. Now we find third derivative. Third derivative is equal to minus 2. The derivative of sine is cos theta square into 2 theta minus, there are two functions, theta square and 4 theta square and cos theta square. Therefore 4 theta square dash cos theta square plus 4 theta square minus sine theta square into 2 theta into 2 theta. Now it becomes y, third derivative of y is equal to minus 2 to the 4 theta cos theta whole square minus 4 to the 8 theta cos theta square plus 4 to the 8 theta cube, theta square into theta cube into minus sine theta square. Now we rearrange these three terms is equal to minus 4 theta cos theta square minus 8 theta cos theta square minus 8 theta cube minus this minus into minus plus 8 theta cube sine theta square. Now y, third derivative of y is equal to y is equal to 8 theta cube sine theta square minus 8 and 4 12 theta cos theta square, which is our answer.